Hello, my name is Elena and it's another vlog about update in my life, and I want to start right from the biggest news. I just started to work with a lovely team, Partnership Editions, and last week being my first week, so I'm so excited to work together. I'm just doing everything from content to helping with packaging, all the stuff. And because our team is small, it's really nice because we communicate a lot, and the office not too far from my home, so I'm cycling there like in the morning about 15-20 minutes, and also excited about it, so you don't need to spend a lot of time and you could cycle every day. So yeah, that's why on YouTube it's only one video a week, because I don't have time for now, but I will manage everything, so on weekend I will be able to film more videos for the channel. And about last week, after my work week, we on Saturday we spent all time in our neighborhood, had coffee, walked a lot, like always. Also visited Vintage pop-up. I'm following girls just for a while, and that day on Saturday they had an open day, like vintage and pre-loved stuff for sale. Usually they are selling online, but on that day it was everything offline, so we visited them and filmed just a little bit there. And also it was an open house, and I've been visited like one apartment last week, like last weekend, and also this weekend on Saturday and on Sunday. And open house, it's festival in London when a lot of residential, commercial buildings like houses, social clubs, but I decided to go to residential to see different renovations, extensions in private home. And usually like architecture decided to open that house if it's their own house, or ask their clients to show their work. And yeah, last week it was easy. We just come in and just spend, I don't know, like 20-30 minutes walking around, see all the rooms, how it works, like all floor plans, all this stuff. But this weekend it was crazy because we just spent it, I guess, 40 minutes in a line. So for the next year, I do understand that you need to go like from 10, from the beginning of showing or viewing, so you don't need to stay in a line, in a big line, because usually people come in like 11-12 like midday. So yeah, it's better to come earlier to avoid crowd, but it was fun, it was interesting. And then we finally visited Japanese cafe Aon. It's been on my list, I don't know, like from last year, but only now we had a chance to visit it, and it's so good. Really recommend it if you're in Stoke Newington, will be somewhere around. And also I love this area, and we decided to explore it more, like to see different places, to walk different streets there, because I love it. Like Shoreditch is good, but Stoke Newington is more like for living. Yes, like more properties there to rent, to buy. So we're exploring, to see, to walk, and to know that area more. And also it was a small flea market there, so it's nice. You just go in by the street and you could see different events going on, just to come in, just to participate in it, and to be a part of neighborhood. On Sunday in the morning, I went to my first art class, like it's not my first, but first class of this class, the Sunday. So yeah, it was like a first lesson in a farm, and yeah, just decided to participate in classical art, to work more with a curator, with a teacher, to be like surrounded by people, because usually I am drawing, but sometimes painting at home as well. But it is fun to learn something new with teacher and surrounded by people. And it is nice because it's like a farm, so you could see ducks and hear ducks when you're painting. So yeah, it was my first class and I'm so excited that I started. We decided on Saturday to go to the center, take pictures as well, and visit new places. And also we bought a lot of nice stuff, like bags that we wanted, and also visited a really nice paper good store. And there you could find a lot of art suppliers from Japan. And yes, like a lot of quite expensive stuff, but so beautiful. A really nice store in Soho. If you are interested in art stuff, you definitely should visit. And also been in a store with comic books, like comics and books for children, but usually like visual stories, and just walked around. Dima also tested a new camera that he get from his friend, so he tested new lenses, new camera. So we really walked a lot, just energize me and brings me more inspiration, more different ideas, more different thoughts when we walk a lot, when we just taking photos, taking videos, visiting new places, exploring area, new shops, new restaurants. And yeah, like when you feel the day is long, you know, like when it's long and you spend a lot of time with different and interesting places and stuff. So yeah, I feel inspired because of it. And yeah, that's it. So the main news is about my new job. I will show more on Instagram. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you so much for your likes on Instagram. And see you next time. Bye bye.